Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best HPA300 filters is probably one of the most crucial aspects of keeping your home's air clean and fresh. These filters are designed to capture a wide range of pollutants, from dust and pollen to pet dander and smoke, ensuring that you and your family breathe easy. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right ones? Let's dive in and explore what makes these replacement filters stand out and how they can improve your indoor air quality. Number 5. Durabasics HEPA Filter Set for Honeywell HPA300. Introducing the Durabasics HEPA Filter Set, designed specifically for your Honeywell HPA300 air purifier. This set includes everything you need to keep your air clean and fresh. This filter set is compatible with a range of Honeywell air purifiers, including HA300, HPA300, and more. It's a complete replacement pack, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. The filters are made with premium HEPA material, effectively improving the air quality in your home. They capture dust, allergens, and other particles, providing you with cleaner air. The set includes activated carbon pre-filters that help eliminate odors, smoke, and other unpleasant smells. They are perfect for homes with pets or smokers. Replacing your old filters with this set can help reduce your electricity bill. It allows your air purifier to work more efficiently, saving you money in the long run. What we like? This filter uses HEPA material, ensuring superior air purification. It also helps eliminate odors, smoke, and smells, making your home fresher. If you are looking for a filter that offers both great air quality and value, you should consider this one. What people say. These replacement filters work superbly in my Honeywell air cleaners. They fit just like to OEM, and literally last just as long as the originals. Fit is excellent for HPA300. Works well. Number 4. ISINLIVE HPA300 HEPA Filter Replacement. This is a replacement filter for your Honeywell air purifier HPA300 series. It's designed to fit perfectly and work efficiently. This filter ensures your air purifier operates at its best. Enjoy clean and odor-free air with this HEPA filter. It works with a high-efficiency activated carbon pre-filter. This combination ensures your home has fresh air year-round. Made with high-quality materials, this filter is built to last. It uses advanced technology for lower energy consumption. This design offers higher efficiency and less pressure. The package includes multiple HEPA and carbon pre-filters. Installation is easy and hassle-free. You won't waste time measuring, it's ready to go. For optimal performance, replace the HEPA filter every 6 to 12 months. The pre-filter should be replaced every 2 to 3 months. It's easy to install and tool-free. This filter is designed for long-lasting performance. With proper maintenance and regular replacements, you can enjoy clean air for a long time. It provides peace of mind and convenience. We are committed to providing a great shopping experience. We stand behind the quality of our products. Contact our customer service team if you have any issues. We are here to help. What we like? This product is compatible with a wide range of Honeywell models, ensuring a perfect fit. It provides enhanced filtration, delivering clean and odor-free air. If you have multiple air purifiers or want a cost-effective solution, it is a great choice. What people say. They fit perfectly, work great, and keep the air fresh and clean. Works exactly like OEM. Good quality material. The filters are well made and fit perfectly. Thickness just right. This is as good as the real deal. Number 3. Funmit HPA300 HEPA Filter Replacement. This Funmit filter is designed to fit your Honeywell HPA series air purifiers. It's compatible with a wide range of models, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Made with high-quality materials, this filter uses advanced technology for maximum filtration. It's designed for energy efficiency and a longer lifespan, providing you with clean air for longer. Enjoy fresh air all year round with this filter. It captures microscopic particles and eliminates odors, keeping your air purifier running efficiently and quietly. This package includes both HEPA and pre-filters, providing everything you need. It's a complete solution, and you won't have to worry about measuring or searching for different parts. For optimal performance, replace the HEPA filter every 6 to 12 months and the pre-filter every 2 to 3 months. Installation is easy, simply replace the old filters with the new ones. Funmit is committed to providing high-quality replacement parts and excellent customer service. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we will assist you. What we like. This filter is crafted with high-quality materials and advanced technology for maximum filtration. It ensures excellent air purification, removing microscopic particles and odors. If you want a filter that combines quality and value, you should choose this one. What people say. Does the job and run air cleaner 24/7. They fit perfect. Work just as they should and are same as described. Number 2. APPLIANCEMATES HPA300 HEPA Filter Replacement Kit. This replacement kit is designed specifically for Honeywell HPA300 series air purifiers. It ensures a perfect fit, eliminating any cutting issues. This kit helps your air purifier work more effectively. The kit includes 3 HEPA type or replacement filters and 6 pre-cut carbon pre-filters. Regularly replacing these filters is crucial for optimal performance. Replace the HEPA filter once a year and the pre-filter every 3 months. These are APPLIANCEMATES filters, compatible with Honeywell HPA 100,200,300 series. They measure 6.5 by 1.6 by 10.2 inches. They are designed to capture a wide range of airborne particles. The HPA300 pre-cut pre-filters are made with activated carbon. They are ideal for large rooms and designed for the HPA300 series. They are especially useful for homes with pets, cooking, or smoking. APPLIANCEMATES filters are made with high-quality HEPA H13 MERV17 material. They are constructed to reduce air resistance and improve airflow. Advanced production equipment and strict quality control ensure high performance and high-efficiency air filtration. What we like. This kit is designed for a perfect fit with your HPA300 air purifier, eliminating any cutting issues. It includes multiple filters, ensuring your air purifier works effectively. If you have pets or are sensitive to odors, you should consider this one. What people say. The filters are easy to install. The Honeywell air purifier is working great. The air quality in my home has improved. Number 1. HPA300 Replacement Filter Kit for Honeywell Air Purifiers. Tired of expensive filter replacements? This kit includes 3 HEPA filters and 4 carbon pre-filters, offering the same quality as the originals but at a fraction of the cost. You can save money without sacrificing air quality. The pre-cut carbon pre-filters save you valuable time. No more struggling with cutting or fitting. It's designed for your convenience. Do you have sensitivities to air quality? This filter kit helps you breathe easier. It effectively filters smoke from wildfires, ensuring your indoor air is fresh and clean. This filter kit is compatible with Honeywell HPA300, HPA304, and HPA8350 air purifiers. It's a direct replacement for the HPA300 filter. It is designed to fit perfectly. Installing this filter kit is a breeze. Simply remove the old filter and replace it with the new one. It's quick and easy, getting you back to enjoying clean air in no time. What we like. This filter kit helps you save money while providing fresh air. The pre-cut filters save you time during installation. If you are looking for an easy-to-install and cost-effective solution, you should consider it. What people say. These filters fit perfectly and work great. We purchased this after seeing it had good ratings in consumer testing. We've been using it about a week, and the room and the furniture are now quite nice, and we have no allergy symptoms. We took out the filter after a week and sure enough, there is a lot of visible dust. So, it clearly is taking dust out of the air, and allowing us to breathe easier. Product was exactly what I ordered and what I needed for a Honeywell HP300 air purifier. Adequate packaging to ensure product arrived undamaged. Very pleased with product quality, price, and shipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.